If you want to enable 165Hz display refresh rate on a OnePlus 15R, you just have to open settings. Next, we're gonna choose the display and brightness settings, and in here we're just gonna scroll down until you find the screen refresh rate. Now over here you have two options. You can go for the high option in order to pretty much always use up to 165Hz, or you can choose auto select in order to let the phone sometimes reduce the refresh rate to 60Hz, especially of course when we have higher power consumption. Usually, of course, we still use 165Hz or something around it, but due to power consumption, this can be reduced if you choose auto select. Keep in mind that even if you use the high option in here, many apps and games do not really support 165Hz, so you might still not be able to fully use it. You can also go over here to app specific refresh rate in order to see that many apps are actually locked to up to 120Hz only. Leave a like and subscribe.